Yeah man, guys, welcome back to my channel. At what you call this? You call it so?
International Center at the Expo.
International Center at the Expo. Looking at some nice. I see that, you know. And the mirror still sieve. Yep.
It's baking stuff. Oh, they're nice.
Everything is nice. This is it. It's a tomato, you know.
Yeah.
It is a yeah. So guys, we are here enjoying ourselves, looking around at the things that that is here. This spatula. Hi.
Have you seen these spatulas?
Yeah, new one.
So the notch in it because if you flip it over, it has a picture on the back. It scrapes your
Oh,
with your attachment.
butter. Yeah.
You don't have to lick the beater anymore. You
Yeah.
use those spatulas instead.
Yeah.
And they're
Inside,
$5.
yeah.
They reach out for 20 and they're 5.
Okay.
Yeah, they're pretty great.
Hmm? Can buy one is? Come here, put this.
What?
My garbage.
The garbage is this?
My camera from the car. I take my picture. I take my picture. I buy my things. Eh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pay for two.
2? Okay.
Yeah.
Terrific. Thank
Pay
you.
for two.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So take up my two.
And I got you got the water.
Yeah, I got a water.
We're all good.
So take up my two, right?
Yeah, take them. Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. There's one straight and an offset.
Yeah. My two spatula, guys. I do my scraping of my blade, my mixing blade. Yeah. When I'm doing my cake,
That's the same.
I'm gonna so this way, look. Put this between the blade and scrape. Good. Don't have to use the fingers anymore. Everything turn over there. The guys are here walking around, doing all of the thing. Curry mix.
We're doing an interview. We're doing an interview. Come on. Hello.
Hi. So guys, we're here doing our thing. Candle welding right? All the way right. Decorating stuff. Now go over the rolling pin them now, look. This type of rolling pin. All different sizes of rolling pin. Is this a sheeter, no? Sheeter?
Yes.
To sheet the dough.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Which one's your favorite? Every type of dough.
Every type of dough.
Yeah. So it's for pasta, and
For-
you can use it for cookie dough. It's for cake.
Bread.
Fondant.
Yeah. And croissant.
Even frozen dough,
Yeah. Croissant.
of course.
Yeah.
For lemonade.
Okay. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah. Thank you.